How to perform basic operations on NineFocus. Welcome to this quick tutorial. Let's start by looking at the detachable terminal. Now let's access the hamburger menu located at the top left corner of the meter. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of options, including sensors, calibration tables, results, setup, and maintenance and service. Setup. Let's go ahead and click on Setup and System Settings to explore its features. Here you can manage task and resources behavior, instrument, personal, network, LabX, and shortcuts. Each of these options allow you to adjust the system to best fit your lab's need, ensuring optimal performance and user experience. Shortcuts. Let's look at the shortcuts. As we zoom in, you'll see the available shortcuts. By clicking on them, you can directly start the analysis tasks from the home screen. Method list. Next, let's pull down the method list to explore the available options. By clicking on calibration, you have access to calibration methods. If you click on verification, you see the available verification methods. Next, we'll click on measurement to have a look at the possibilities. Look for the New button. This feature allows you to create a new method, which is tailored to your needs. By creating a new method, you can choose between calibration, verification, or measurement templates, which you can adapt for your specific application. Finally, let's navigate back to the home screen. Simply click on the Home button, represented by the house icon at the bottom middle of the meter. Results. To access the results, start by navigating to the hamburger menu and selecting Results. This opens the result sets, which show all recorded measurements on NineFocus. Next, click on the most recent result to view the main information under All Main Results. Then, head to Info and scroll down to find additional details. Navigate to Data to see the method and resource data. Now navigate to Samples and click on Sample ID 1. You can review sample-specific data like raw values in the Data tab. If you'd like to learn more about NineFocus, be sure to check out the other videos.